All right, what's going on, guys? All right, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use the free analyzer on the website. So once you go into the website, before you actually create an account, you go over to the home page and you'll see Run Free Analyzer. Just click on that. It's going to ask you a few questions about the business. That way you can run the free analyzer. So I'm just going to put in Test LLC. Then you go over to the next question, how long have you been in business? I'm just going to put in 1 to 2 years. Then what's your entity type? Are you an S Corp, C Corp, sole proprietor? I'm going to put LLC. Now, what industry is your business in? I'm going to put in just something like construction. Okay, click next. It's going to ask you for your average monthly business revenue. I'm going to put in 10 to 25,000. Do you have any NSFs or overdraft activity in the last 90 days? It's going to ask pretty much like, are you going negative on your business account? I'm going to put no. You know what? Just for the heck of it, I'm going to put yes. And then what's your personal credit score range? I'm going to put in 620, 639. And what is your current personal credit utilization, meaning how often are you using your personal credit card? I'm just going to put in 0 to 9%. How many credit inquiries have you had in the last 90 days? So if you're probably watching this video, you've been probably shopping around, so I'll put 1 and 2. What is your current business credit profile status? I'm going to put in profile exists. Do you know accounts? Assuming that you don't even know if you have a business profile yet. What's your primary goal? I'm going to put in access business credit cards. Get results. I'm going to put in the name, so I'm going to put in test. I'm going to put in an email that I have here. It's one of my old emails. It's going to be sourcefy digital at gmail.com. It's always recommended to put your phone number, but I'm not going to do it for the case of this training. View my results. They see, quick, not ready. Currently has one or more factors that will limit approval success. So recommended would be the program C. Okay, and if you see here at the bottom, you have the option to create an account, book a strategy call, or go ahead and directly start program C and set up your free account right here. So guys, any questions, just log in, create your free account, and there's a support inbox and it'll go straight to me if you have any questions.